Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by picking the exact site area you need and why. Narrow the scope so you avoid unnecessary files. Once chosen, install the offline tool, httrack for GUI or wget for command line, and set a conservative depth and bandwidth cap to prevent overloading the server. Make a local project folder and verify at least 1/2 of your expected archive size is available. Then run a short test crawl of a few pages to confirm links and assets download as intended. Once the test succeeds, refine the settings so the mirror matches your needs. You should set link filters to include necessary file types like HTML, CSS, JS, and exclude large media if unnecessary. That reduces size and time. Make sure to configure retry limits, throttle speeds, and a sensible user agent. Avoid breaking robots' rules unless you have permission. Also enable option to preserve site folder structure so local links remain intact, which simplifies navigation later on. You complete the process by opening the local index and walking through pages to confirm assets load and internal links work. If you find missing images or pages, rerun the mirror with a deeper link depth or relaxed filters. Make sure you didn't accidentally exclude necessary file extensions. If downloads fail, clear temporary cache, raise retry counts, and confirm your user agent isn't blocked. Finally, archive the folder and document the settings you used so you can reproduce the exact offline copy later.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.